Hi, good evening. My name is Rose, and thank you for coming into the survey. Today, I will be helping you. Sorry, you will be helping me with some questions. I'm going to be asking you some questions, and you'll give your answers to me. There are no right or wrong answers. Just say whatever you think is the most accurate answer, right? And these are going to be some personal questions. So, are you okay with that? Okay. So, first things first, I would love to have your name here. Okay, I'm just gonna write that down. And your maiden name? Okay. Your phone number? Your address? This is just for the data for the company. It won't be disclosed to anyone. Okay. Alright. I will put your name now into the software so that everything's worked out fine. Okay. Alrighty. It's set. So I'm going to be starting by I'm going to start by asking you I'm going to start. Please. Okay. So are you passionate about what you do? There is no right or wrong answer. You can think whatever you like. You can say whatever you like. Okay. Alright. Where do you see yourself in 5 years of time? Do you see yourself in 5 years? Okay. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? You can take it. It's okay. Alright. I'm gonna write that down. What do you think makes someone a good leader? Okay. Alright. Do you think money is important? Okay. What is the most surprising fact you've learned about yourself? Okay. What are you afraid of? Do you have any phobias or just like you're basically afraid of something? Okay. What do you think is your role in this world? Okay. Who is your hero? Okay. How do you spend your time when you're free? Okay. That seems kind of fun. Not gonna lie. What is the best and the worst advice you've ever received? Yeah, that sounds reasonable. As well. Mm-hmm. And the worst? Yeah, that is quite shitty actually. Do you think education, like the systematic education, is it important? All right. Yeah, I think the same. Like, I think yeah. All right. I agree with you on this. It's so important. Is there room for improvement in your life, or you think you have attained your best self? Yeah. Or this is the best you can do? I think there's more. Like you can do more. Everyone can do more. They'll never attain the best. This is what I think, and I only think that I don't do that shit. I'm too lazy for that. So, anyways, do you balance your personal and professional life? If so, how? Yeah, it could be school life and personal life. Yeah. makes so much sense actually. And this is the last question. Does listening to music affect you in any sort of way? It does, I know, right? Like, definitely. Yeah, totally, yes. Smash. Sometimes I want to feel the music inside. You know what I mean? Thank you for the survey. It's done. These are all the questions for now. I will notify you if we have any more upcoming surveys. Thank you for taking part in this. Payment will be at the checkout. You can ask the cashier. The coupon is Rose123. That's my coupon because I was the one who took your survey. Thank you so much for this. I will see you the next time if there's any. Bye.